Spiral X. We are playing White Noise. We've chosen character. You have chosen your character.
Well, we're just going to pick random today.
Right, we'll have a random map location. Normal difficulty. Don't know why I'm looking at your screen. Right, game starts in 3, 2, 1. Nah, but it's like Slender.
Yeah, it's a horror game if no one's heard of it before.
Only 80. What's it called? Micro points.
Right, I don't know what they're called.
So you've got to find these tape
I'm
recorders.
Sarah. Oh god.
Pick up, flashlight, run. Oh, well, camera's a bit, don't you?
Oh god, that's you.
I'll blind you, bitch. There, let's try and not get lost. See you later. Oh my god, when you run it, fucking puts flashlight down so you can't see where you're running to.
Wait for me. Yeah, the thing comes after you when you're not looking at it. Wait for me. I don't want to run and use all my stamina. Because it puts my torch down as well.
Trying to run away from you, get round the rock, but I can't find my way round. Oh, there's a gate over there. Don't like this. Ah! Shit.
Where was that gate? But stuff is next to monuments, so...
Go check around these trees and stuff, and rocks. Stamina's not very good. Oh, a sprint. Oh my god, this is scary. Stuffy around there.
I don't really want to turn around.
I don't think he starts coming till you've like
Picked at least
found one.
Where are you? Where have you gone? If one of us just has his torch on at a time.
Yeah, it doesn't even make a difference, does it, if both of us have one?
Because I can't see your I can't see your torch.
I think we've just gone in a big circle. I'll show her that side a minute ago.
Except for we're going through the smoke.
I don't like this at all.
Oh god, you both turned his lights off.
Oh, what was that? Just see.
So that.
I think it was just shaded effects on trees. Ah, shit. Why do we play horror games? Oh, there's a monument over here.
Oh god.
I got my freaking heart's pounding. Don't like that noise.
That's the tape recorder.
So freaky.
God.
Oh my god.
Who's gonna spot
Oh,
it?
yeah, because you could miss these. Look how big that is.
Are you gonna pick it up?
I did.
I mean, the torch shines it anyway. I don't. Oh god. Oh, it's there.
Where? Where is it? I can't live where you are. Oh shit. Shit.
Can you... Oh, have you run off?
Yeah, I'm going.
Oh shit, I don't know where it's gone.
Fuck.
I don't know where it's gone.
Come on, come that way, come that way, come on. Oh,
Where?
shit. It's behind me, behind me, behind me. Don't. Oh. Shit. Take that off. Can't find you.
Can you not?
I don't know. I meant that up. What's this over here? Green stuff.
That's probably another one.
Holy shit. Oh.
I think I'm looking at it. My screen's going funny. Don't look at that.
Run away, run away. Come on, we're going to find all 8. That must be something though. Shit. If we get... What's happening? I'm running. See you later. Get out of here.
Oh god.
Ah! Fuck! Fuck, fuck, fuck.
I'm gonna look away from it for a
Get
second.
away, get away, get away.
turn around and look at it.
No, if you come after you, it gets closer every time.
No, when you're looking at it, it doesn't come after you. But I. It's gone.
Shit. Oh, what are these pillars?
Oh no.
Good shit. Ah! Fuck! Come back that way, back that way. Oh shit. Oh my fucking god.
Where have we gone? Run.
He doesn't run. Oh, he's over there to his right, to right, to right. Oh fuck, 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 fuck.
Is that a ditch down there? I don't know where you can get that.
Stream.
Oh, it's gone.
Oh shit. Don't fall in water. Don't fall. Oh, there you go. Oh my god, I've literally got turtle's head. Oh! God, stop. Be there when I turn around. There's a bridge over here. Oh, fuck, what was that?
Where is it? Where is it?
I don't know, something just flashed in its sketch. Oh my god, we're not playing this again. Oh, it's blood on bridge. Blood on bridge. Great, great, great. Check around these rocks. Now I wish I picked the guy with the stamina. Ah, fuck, 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 fuck.
Where is it? Right in
I
front
think
of
you're
you.
on the side of water. Oh, what's this over here? Oh, God's sake.
Oh, but you're gone. Come away from me.
Come on.
There's a, like...
Yes. Shit.
I occasionally just throw it in there.
Fuck.
Oh god.
Oh god. Go, go, go. Run. Run, run, run. Oh, there's a barn over here. Is that right? Oh, whoa. Yeah, there's one here. Oh, it's a windmill thing. There's a green thing over here, look.
But it were making us like go insane looking at it. Yeah.
Oh, let's turn around.
I think we have to go round it. I'm stuck on a tree.
Actually, what was that?
An owl.
Oh, shit. Fuck it, I hate this game already. What's this over here? Something over here. Turn the light off so you can't see where we are.
Oh god. I can just...
Ah, what the fuck was that? Oh my god. There's a wall over here. I want to check these.
Yeah.
Ah, fuck! I think we'll go left. We'll go left. We'll go left.
I can still see it without my torch turned on.
It's okay, we're just having a walk in the park. The graveyard. Nothing scary about this.
Oh god, is it?
I hate this game. Whose idea was to play this?
Yours!
Oh shit. Ah! Fuck, fuck, fuck.
Where is it? I can't see it. Oh, look, it's there. Oh god. Oh, a church. Oh god, that's a church. Why are you going right outside?
Let's go around that too. There's one at wall here. Come on. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Where is it?
Come on, we're doing good. We're doing good here. Shit. Should we go up here?
Can do.
You should play this game with a bad art condition.
I'm gonna have a bad art condition
I
afterwards.
do.
No, I'm gonna have one afterwards. Behind me.
Oh shit. When trees fade in and out. Oh my god. Let's run that one. Yeah, I need that. Why do I feel like I've just been in a big circle?
We've just gone round that rock. Oh god, it's right behind us. It's just to your left slightly.
Ah, fuck!
Yeah.
I'll be back this way.
This is going back in a circle, but there's nowhere else we can really go.
It's when it flashes like that, it's getting shit out of me. I've got goosebumps.
Oh god, it's no longer behind us anymore.
Ah, what the? Ah! Oh shit, we just close there. Fuck. Come on. Let's just get out of this bit. I feel like we're stuck in
Don't
it.
know where you've gone.
Think about stamina.
He's still fucking behind us. Getting closer over another river. Go to the left. Turn around. It's not there.
Come on, be a bridge, be a bridge. Oh, fuck. Well, I feel like I'm
I've got to keep turning around because it gets closer if I don't look at it. There's a bridge just there.
What do you mean bridge when we get right to end?
Yeah, it's other side of the bridge.
Oh, fuck.
We can get across and go to the left.
No, it's making me go insane. It's gonna end up getting you, Scott. Don't die on me!
We need to like disappear and then reappear. There, it's gone. Go back now. Oh no, it's still there.
Shit.
No, now it's gone. I think.
Well, I'm not going back to fucking turn up again.
Yeah, he's gone. Oh god, he's still. He's gone. He's across there, but to the left. You can get across the bridge. Oh god, where have you gone?
I kept going outside of water. I'm not going across there. Not when he's over there.
Did you go to the left of this rock or to the right?
I'm still outside of water. Do you see my light?
Oh, there you are. Then come back. Wait for me. Don't run away.
I'm leaving you behind.
Oh, it's not upside down. Alright.
Oh, you've been got. Oh fuck. Come on, I'm laughing.
Oh, that's terrifying.
So you can still move as a ghost.
Oh, I can.
Oh shit, he's there.
I wonder if I'm controlling him. Oh, there you are. Well, am I going to still see him?
I think that's me with light there, look.
Yeah. Can you see me?
Might just use your screen for lightness because it's bright.
I don't know if I can see him though. I'm directly to your right. I'm trying not to. Oh,
You go. Oh. And if he snuck up on me, then he's like, "Yo, bitch, I'm here."
Just forget that.
Ah, fucker!
Where was it? Behind me, between me and you. I couldn't see him on my
Oh
screen.
my god, that scared the shit out of me then. Oh my god. I turned to look at you and turned back and you're in my face. Oh my god. So we got 3 out of 8, you get?
Yeah.
3 out of 8. Not bad for his first attempt. I'm not sure if it'll be a second attempt.
Screams. How many screams? A lot of screams.
Yeah, I had more than one scream.
What's this?
Oh, this shows you where you've been. So we went down first.
We didn't go in a very big area to say it.
I think did we follow water across
Yeah,
there
that
or
was
something?
water.
I think
And then that's where I screamed.
that's where it first shit itself.
Yeah.
That second time we shit ourselves.
Third time we shit ourselves. That's right.
But I think that's where we crossed water again.
Oh,
So we didn't quite go around a bit.
yeah.
Unless these no, I would say that's that way we found. Oh, the jigsaw bits there'll be.
I'm sure we didn't go that far. Yeah, well they must be tape recorders.
We can double back to the cells there.
That's why I went back to the bridge, where we'd already been. That's where I died.
That's where you died.
And I chased after you.
Then I died.
I caught up with you.
God, that scared the crap out of that game. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more, then leave a comment or like.
Please don't ask to see more.
Yeah. We'll play other games. We'll play Sonic.
Yeah.
Work it out. Yeah, so thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.